Follow me because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. The body itself will spit out the dead parasites. Immunity is strengthened. Grandma's old recipe. You might think you're perfectly healthy, but what if I told you that there are tiny invaders inside your body right now, draining your energy, affecting your mood, and even causing digestive issues? Yes, parasites are more common than you think, and they don't just come from contaminated food or water. They can be lurking in your everyday environment, waiting for the right moment to thrive inside you. Here's the scary part. Most people have them without even realizing it. Unexplained fatigue, random stomach issues, skin breakouts. These could all be signs that your body is battling an unseen enemy. But don't worry, because today, we're diving deep into how to get rid of these freeloaders naturally while also strengthening your immune system. Your body is an incredible machine designed to detox itself, but sometimes it needs a little help. Grandma's old school remedies have been passed down for a reason they work. Let's talk about one of the simplest yet most effective solutions, a natural parasite cleanse, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's start with garlic. This small but mighty ingredient isn't just for flavor, it's a natural anti-parasitic powerhouse. Studies show that allicin, the active compound in garlic, helps destroy parasites by breaking down their cellular structures. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach can create an environment hostile to parasites, making it harder for them to survive. Next up is papaya seeds. Yes, those tiny seeds you probably throw away after eating the fruit? They contain powerful enzymes like papain that break down parasite eggs and prevent them from reproducing. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who consumed papaya seed extract had a 71% reduction in parasites after just 1 week. But wait, let's talk about something even more surprising: cloves. These tiny spice rack staples are lethal to parasites. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties. They don't just kill adult parasites, they also target the eggs, which is crucial for a complete cleanse. Try drinking clove tea daily or adding ground cloves to your food for a natural way to combat these invaders. And if you're serious about getting rid of parasites for good, you need to support your immune system. A weakened immune system gives parasites the upper hand, but a strong one can fight back efficiently. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin C and zinc, like citrus fruits, nuts, and seeds, can help strengthen your defenses. Staying hydrated is also key. Water flushes out toxins and helps your organs function properly. You might be wondering, how do I know if these remedies are working? Well, don't be surprised if you experience a sudden boost in energy, clearer skin, or even a reduction in digestive discomfort. These are signs that your body is finally free from the burden of unwanted guests. And here's something interesting: many people report seeing actual parasites expelled in their stool. It might sound gross, but it's a clear indication that your cleanse is working. Of course, prevention is just as important as treatment. Washing your hands regularly, thoroughly cooking meat, and avoiding contaminated water sources can help reduce the risk of reinfestation. Also, incorporating anti-parasitic foods into your diet regularly, like pumpkin seeds and turmeric, can act as a natural defense mechanism. And now, a little fun fact to keep you on your toes: did you know that some parasites can actually influence your cravings? Research suggests that certain gut parasites can make you crave sugar, their favorite food source. So, if you suddenly feel an intense need for sweets, it might not be just your sweet tooth talking. It could be something else controlling your appetite. So, what's the takeaway? Parasites might be sneaky, but they're no match for knowledge and the right natural remedies. Taking charge of your health is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Try incorporating these simple but effective tips, and you might just feel like a whole new person. Here's a simple yet powerful recipe to help cleanse your body naturally. Grandma's Parasite Cleanse Tea. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients in a cup of warm water. 2. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes. 3. Drink on an empty stomach every morning for 2 weeks. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to check out my other videos for more life-changing health tips. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. Here are 20 tips and tricks related to boosting immunity and naturally eliminating parasites. 1. Garlic kills parasites. Naturally raw garlic contains allicin and adjuvan, compounds that eliminate worms and harmful bacteria. 2. Pumpkin seeds for intestinal cleansing. These seeds contain cucurbitacin, a natural compound that paralyzes and expels parasites. 3. Papaya seeds destroy worms. The proteolytic enzymes in papaya seeds break down parasites and flush them out. 4. Clove and wormwood. Detox. These herbs have powerful anti-parasitic properties that kill eggs and larvae. 5. Apple cider vinegar for pH-balanced drinking. Diluted ACV creates an acidic environment that parasites cannot survive in. 6. Turmeric boosts immunity. This anti-inflammatory spice strengthens the immune system and helps eliminate parasites. 7. Black walnut hulls for deep cleansing, a traditional remedy that kills adult parasites and removes toxins from the body. 8. Coconut oil as a natural antifungal medium chain. Fatty acids in coconut oil help destroy parasites and strengthen digestion. 9. Fasting helps the body reset. Intermittent fasting starves parasites and allows the gut to heal. 10. Probiotics restore gut flora. A healthy gut microbiome prevents parasitic infections by crowding out harmful organisms. 11. Hydration flushes out toxins. Drinking plenty of water helps remove dead parasites and their waste from the body. 12. Fermented foods enhance digestion. Kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir provide good bacteria that fight off parasites. 13. Ginger improves stomach acid levels. Proper stomach acidity prevents parasite eggs from surviving in the gut. 14. Aloe vera for internal cleansing. Aloe vera juice has natural antibacterial properties that support detoxification. 15. Pineapple enzymes dissolve parasites. Bromelain in pineapple breaks down proteins in parasites, helping to remove them. 16. Neem leaves kill intestinal worms. This Ayurvedic remedy helps detoxify the body and strengthens the immune response. 17. Carrot juice for digestive health, rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to boost immunity. 18. Oregano oil, As a natural antibiotic, a few drops of oregano oil in water can eliminate harmful pathogens in the gut. 19. Exercise improves detoxification. Sweating and increased circulation help the body eliminate toxins and parasites. 20. Deep sleep strengthens immunity. Proper rest allows the immune system to work efficiently in fighting infections. These natural methods help the body remove parasites while boosting overall immunity. Always consult a doctor before starting any detox regimen